Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a time when you used a map. You should say when it was, where you were, what you did, and explain how you felt about it. So, I'm sure you must have used a map, maybe an electronic map or a physical map. Usually, these days, people are using more of electronic maps like Google Maps or the maps that are available on iPhone, right, to navigate to any kind of location. So, you can talk about any of those instances for a question like this. Also, this reminds me that we are also posting videos on our channel about recent IELTS task 2 writing topics that are coming up in the exams. So you can check out those videos. Literally, all the points that you can use for an essay like agree, disagree, or advantage, disadvantage, whatever topic is coming in the exam are discussed really thoroughly in the video, giving you like a band 9 answer template. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Maps can be both physical or electronic and provide reference for geographical regions and areas, provide detailed information as well as help in navigation to various locations. And today, I would like to speak about a time when I relied on digital maps. Also, we use this synonym instead of repeating the word electronic map, we use digital maps. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that me and my friends decided to go on a hiking trip last year after the completion of my final exams in a picturesque and serene place named Mukteshwar, which is located in the state of Uttarakhand. Picturesque means beautiful and serene means calm. So we have used some better vocabulary words here, which will increase our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. Moreover, the track was deserted and we were really scared of getting lost on our way. So I suggested to use Google Maps and set our destination on it. So deserted means that there was no one on that path. The map provided us with thorough instructions amidst the dense forests and we were able to see the light at the end of the tunnel. So thorough means detailed. Amidst means in the middle of. And light at the end of the tunnel is actually an idiom which means to find some source of respite after a difficult situation. And using idiomatic phrases actually increases our band scores for our lexical resources. Additionally, using the maps was a piece of cake to me as I had watched a YouTube tutorial demonstrating and detailing its comprehensive usage. Piece of cake means very easy and it is also an idiom, so you can add this to your idiom list as well. Demonstrating means to show, and comprehensive means showing everything about something, like very detailed. Alright, so let's continue. Furthermore, I was on cloud 9 as we were able to reach our destination using the shortest route and reached the mountain top well in time to capture the mesmerizing sunset view, and the sweet memories still remain embedded in my heart. So again, I was on cloud 9. On cloud 9 means to be very happy or extremely joyous, and it is again an idiom. Mesmerizing means beautiful. So instead of repeating the word beautiful, we have used some better vocabulary words. We used picturesque a little while ago and now we are using mesmerizing. Embedded means to remain deep down inside. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.